Making a book.
That's right.
I think you could.
Yeah, it wasn't a big deal for me because I had been away for like 20 days. And so I had a lot to catch up to when I got back. So about a week is just like no problem. And after a week, it's yeah.
Nice.
Pardon me? I think you gotta.
If you're happy with it, drop her into the quinch.
Huh?
Oh, yeah.
I'm not sure. Is that enough?
It looks good to me. Oh, yes, yes, you have to do the bend first.
Anything else? I think that's fine.
I think you're good.
Yeah, but you have to go on here. No.
Huh?
No.
This way?
Yeah. That doesn't change. That stays.
How do I tighten?
And then you go towards me. Yeah.
Okay, get it up again.
Great first try.